Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Kaleid Flux. In this video I'll show you device preview. GameSir Kaleid Flux is a wired controller designed for Xbox One, Xbox Series XS or PC with Windows 10 or above. On the top of the controller we can find Xbox button, view button, menu button and share button. Next, here we can find left-right stick, D-pad, mode button and microphone mute light. On the top we can find USB-C charging port and two additional buttons on the back. Here is the serial number and here is aux jack. This controller is not wireless, it requires cable to work. It has Hall effect magnetic sensor for high precision and reduced drift in analog sticks and Hall effect triggers. Controller is equipped with membrane, ABXY buttons, two mappable back buttons and rumble vibration motors, two in grips and two in triggers. The pulling rate is up to 1000 Hz on PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.